Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you have a Fiat 500 guys and you need to see where the fuse for the radio is located, stay with us. We'll explain that. You actually have two fuses. Make sure to send to you then. We'll explain that as we go, and we'll explain why it's super important to test the fuse even if you think it's good. Make sure you test it, and we'll explain how you can test it as well. All that will be covered in this video today. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So specifically we have a 2015 Fiat 500 Abarth, but doesn't matter which version you have, it's practically the same guys for both. So what do we have here? Okay, this is the Fiat. Doesn't matter which radio system you have, it will work as well. You can see this is the radio system here guys. And what do we need to check now here guys? Okay, we need to come to under the steering wheel where the pedals are, and that's where you have a fuse box, by the way. Check it out, that's where you have a fuse box. And the first fuse, okay, that you will need to check guys, okay, will be a 10 amp fuse on the left row. Okay, if you come to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that 10 amp fuse, that's the one for the radio and the diagnostic port. Okay, so check that fuse guys, super important. Okay, that's the one of them. And now you have a second fuse guys that is known as fuse number 51, and this one will be the third fuse. Okay, 5 amp fuse on the right side from top to bottom. Third fuse right there. Test these two fuses guys. Now why it's important to remove and test them, because you may remove it and you think it's fine, but actually if the fuse is burned on the inside and you don't see it, you put it back on, you start buying new radios and all kind of things, and you spend money and time guys, when all you had to do, test the fuse. We're going to put a link to a video that explains how to test it in the description of the video below. Check it out. Another thing guys, okay, if you need to buy fuses for a really good price and quick shipping, for the price of just a couple of fuses you get a whole fuse box. Check out the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.